Hey, it's Miss Alana, and today is Tuesday, March 15th, and we are getting ready to start today's practice. Get your sheet, get your pencil, and let's get ready to get started. So let's look at number one. Number one, I'm not going to read the whole thing, but we're going to read some of it. So read it with me. Let's look at the domain right here. That says operations and algebraic thinking. Now the standard, which is right here, is what you're doing. I'm not going to read that whole thing right now. You can read that on your own. And we're looking at standard number 1, okay? Now, if you can do this problem, you can say the I can statement. I can add and subtract to solve word problems. Are you ready to get started? All right, so let's look at the question. All right, look at number 1. Read it with me. It says Roxy, hi Roxy, and Mary, hi Mary, and Miss Treasure's class, went to the arcade. Oh, they were going to the arcade too, like the kids from yesterday. Roxy earned 251 tickets. Whoa, that's a lot of tickets. And Roxy, what? Miss Alana messed up on the paper. Look, I put Roxy and Roxy. I need to cross that out and change it to Mary. Now, if you want to switch them around and make the first one Mary instead, do that. So I'm going to cross it out now. I don't know how I messed that up. I must have not have read it after I typed it. That's why you always have to read. Mary. All right, so you see what I did? Roxy earned 251 tickets, and I just crossed it out. And Mary earned 239 tickets. Okay. They both got a lot of tickets. Now, it says they combined their tickets together to buy a treasure box. Oh, so they put their money, not their money, their tickets together. So they were working as a team. Good job, girls. And they were going to buy a treasure box. Ooh, I wonder what kind of treasures are inside of it. I love treasure boxes. And that treasure box cost 300 tickets. How many tickets did they have left after getting the treasure box? All right, so what we need to do is read that again. So I'm going to read it. You read it on your paper. Roxy and Mary went to the arcade. Roxy earned 251 tickets and Mary earned 239 tickets. They combined their tickets together to buy a treasure box that cost 300 tickets. How many tickets did they have left after getting the treasure box? So now we've read it twice perfectly. We need to find all our key details, our important information. So look at your paper, and I'm going to look through my look. What's important do you see? Oh, that Roxy earned tickets. How many tickets did she earn? 251. So look, I underlined Roxy earned, and then I circled 251 underlined tickets. All right, what's the next important fact we have? That Mary earned what? Mary earned, 239 tickets. So look, I underlined that and I circled 239 because we need to know that number. Do you see more important facts in there? Okay, they combined the tickets. You know what? I'm going to circle the word combined. And what do we have to do when we combine things together? Yeah, we put it together and we have to add, subtract, multiply, divide. Which one? We need to add, okay? So I am going to add, you're going to add also 251 plus 239. Set up your problem vertically, just like that, and let's work it out. So we start at the ones. What's 1 plus 9? 1 plus 9 is 10. So write your 0 and carry your 1 right there. See? 10. And then next we have 1 plus 5, which is 6 plus 3 is 9. Or you can do 3 plus 5, 5 plus 3 is 8, and then 1 more is 9. Or you can do 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 5 is 9. So again, you can add in any order as long as you add correctly, and you'll get the same answer. And then the last one, 2 plus 2 is So they got 490 tickets. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of tickets. Now, they're not saving the tickets. They're going to buy something. And what are they buying? A treasure box. Let's underline that important fact. And how much is that? 300 tickets. So I underlined they bought a treasure box that cost 300 tickets. How many tickets did they have left after getting the treasure box? Now there's a key word to let us know the next thing we have to do. And what is that key word? No, not treasure. Let's see, what's the key word? Getting? No, that's not the key word. Tickets? That's not the key word. Left. Left is the key word. I'm going to circle left. Left. Okay, not my left. Maybe this is your right. This is your left. All right, so no, not that kind of left, but they left whatever's left over. So what operation do we have to do? We need to subtract. So what do we subtract? 490 minus what? 300. So that means they gave the lady or the man 300 tickets. Here's 300 tickets. And thank you. Here's your treasure box. Thank you. Oh, we have tickets left. How many tickets are left? So we're going to figure that out. So what's 0 minus 0? 0. And what about 9 minus 0? What's that? 9. That's so easy. 9. And what's 4 take away 3? 4 take away 3 is 1. So I'm going to write the 1. And what is the answer? What's your answer? 190? That's my answer. Look, 190. But we're not done. 190 what? 190 tickets. And you know what? I think I'm going to write tickets left. Okay? Or let's see. I can't squeeze that in. Maybe I'll write it on the other side. I'll write it tiny. Roxy and Mary, what? Have 190 tickets left. Okay. All right, so there it is. I didn't box it. Looks like I drew a shoe around it. Roxy and Mary have 190 tickets left. So when you're done with that, don't forget, write down, explain to me how you solved that problem, and go ahead and get the rest of your work done.